So the last video we're going to show how to deal with date. So we have a date attribute in our dataset. If we actually use the date as the complete string year, month, and day, it gives us very limited information because there's too much variations. Again, following the idea of concept hierarchy, we can separate the date to year and month. Okay, so it will we can selectively using year or month in our analysis or both of them. That gives us a lot of more flexibility. So we're going to use the library rubric date. And here we're going to use bplayer's mutate function. Mutate basically add new columns to our dataset. And we use rubric date's year and month function to find the year and month from the date attribute. So that will give us a new shooting data that actually you can see we have year and the month, those attributes being added. So we could also look at what we have now. Date is split into year and month. You can add another day column and try to see if that day attribute give us some clue whether incidents tend to happen on a specific day. We can also using the date to find the day in a week that incident happens. Those are all possible attributes that you could add since we don't actually know very much. You probably think the date may not, event probably won't concentrate happening on Friday, but how do we know? The only way we can find out is to analyze it. It might be surprising because sometimes the conclusion can be surprising. For example, in citation analysis, people have found that last name of the authors that are closer at the beginning of the starting of the alphabet get cited more often than people with last name that's the first letter that was positioned later in the alphabet. So yeah, that surprised you, right? I did not realize that either, but data will show us. But here I did not do that, and you can certainly do that. So I added those two, and now I'm going to save my new shooting. So now I changed the name. It's no longer original. I added a lot of things, so I have a second version. I call it shooting, and I save it in my work directory. In the future, we're going to for every technique that we're going to study, we're going to load this shooting dataset and work on that. Okay, this concludes this short video on handling dates.